Ah, the peaceful wonders of Lake Taneycomo. Don't you think it's time to turn things up? This is the Ozarks' only jet boat adventure with 360 spins, power slides, and bow dunks that will thrill all ages. Families love Branson Jet Boats. See for yourself.
The Branson Jet Boats are amazing. On board were people from age 5 to 70. It was a thrill for all.
Great fun speeding around on the lake, sliding sideways, and spinning around. Everything you've always wanted to do in your boat, but the spouse won't allow.
It was exciting and a total blast. Whipping down the river, getting splashed, spins, it was the best part of our weekend. I'd recommend this to anyone. It's perfect for any age.
Book your tour online right now. You can find us at bransonjetboats.com or on Facebook. You don't want to miss the fun of Branson Jet Boats located at the Branson Landing.